Hey, what's going on, guys? If your Roku remote is acting up, whether the power button is dead or the volume keys are totally unresponsive, don't toss it in the trash just yet. Today, I'm showing you a simple hard reset that fixes these issues over half the time. Stick around for the final step, and we'll get your remote paired and running like new. First, let's start with a basic but crucial step. Remove the batteries. It sounds too simple, but you'd be surprised how often this works. Once they're out, we're ready for the actual reset. Find the power button and hold it down for a solid 30 seconds. Don't let go. What we're doing here is an electrical discharge. This safely clears out any residual power left in the internal capacitors that might be causing the remote's software to glitch out. Now, while the batteries are still out, press every single button on the remote multiple times. Over time, dust, lint, or even a spilled drink can cause the internal contact pads to stick. Go through every button, volume, channel, menu, and give them a serious workout. Then, give the remote a few firm taps against your palm to help knock loose any debris trapped inside the shell. Let's pop the batteries back in. Leave the back cover off for a second while we test it. Fire up your TV. If it isn't working on the first try, don't give up. Sometimes it takes 3 to 5 rounds of that discharge process to fully clear the board and unstick the contacts. Now for the most important part, repairing the remote. Look at the back of your Roku remote, right below the batteries, and you'll see this tiny circular button. Press and hold this for 5 seconds. Your TV will automatically detect it and sync up, just like you see on the screen right now. If you're still having issues after this, your batteries might just be entirely dead. Swap in a fresh pair and try the pairing button one more time. If this video brought your remote back to life, hit that thumbs up so it can help someone else. If it's still acting stubborn, drop a comment below and I'll help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.